guys? So right behind me we have a 458 Spider, and this is a really exciting project because we're going to be wrapping the entire car in an Avery conform chrome blue. I think the blue chrome is really going to match the stitching. It's going to be pretty unique once it's all said and done. We're even doing the door jambs in blue chrome, so it's going to be kind of cool. I don't think I've ever seen another Ferrari with this interior. Right here we have a G63. It's in here for full body protection film in the satin, since this is factory paint, and it has the Boston wheels on it already. What's going to get done is the body kit, so it's going to have a whole Urban Automotive body kit installed on it, and then it's going to come back, have the rest of it protected. But we're going to be doing the ceramic coating on the interior, the exo shield, the ceramic coating on the windshield. We're going to be doing a bunch of things, but yeah, we'll show you the car. We're pretty much known for Teslas, so we're going to be launching a division dedicated specifically for Tesla vehicles coming up very shortly. We'll announce that on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. But we have a couple of more inside. Miami Blue Inozatec Huracan Performante is looking incredible. I really can't get over how beautiful the wrap is. So the guys are actually killing it on this project. This is a brand new Model Y. We're doing a full satin conversion. And this is our good friend Gonzalo. He's from De Basart, the best in the industry when it comes to paintless dent removal. So he's actually pulling out dents on brand new Model Ys. So we're gonna do a video for you guys later on to kind of explain to you what to look out for in terms of defects on these vehicles while you pick them up, so you can point them out to Tesla before you sign the contract and everything. That way they'll take good care of you. This is a brand new Model Y with an Expel Stealth conversion. A lot of people actually think that this is a wrap, but this is protection film. So Tony's actually doing this one right here. The same thing, original color is gloss black, and then what we're doing is we're converting it to a satin finish with the Expel Stealth film. So this entire thing's done. This is the during process, so everything is disassembled, all the moldings, the mirrors. We really want to get that paint-like finish. So even if you come towards this way, we're one of the few companies that do this trunk in one piece. So it's all done in one piece. The lights are removed, it's tucked under. Just, you know, incredible how it's put together at the end. And if you guys like the original color but want to make it just a little bit more unique, you get the added protection with this film, plus you get the satin finish. So if you are curious about this stuff, come by, drop by. We'll put a little sample piece on your car, see how you like it. I personally really love this finish. And right behind me is the Inozatec Miami Blue. We're missing some little parts right now. We're getting the emblems blacked out. And then we're gonna start polishing out these scratches that are here. And we're gonna be putting a protection film on it after. The exo shield has already been applied. Window tints are about to get done soon. But yeah, it's a full pack day today inside the shop. This 997 is just finished. Headlight tints are fresh, looking good. And the full front end's protected. Whole vehicle is corrected. Ceramic coating is applied already. And that wraps it up. We just gotta put the emblem back. But this is Monday, this is what we do. We load up the shop with lots of cool projects, and throughout the week, follow, subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube, so you guys can keep track of what we're doing, and we'll see you guys soon.